Up, people of Earth, my name is Nabeel and they are Manahil and Aisha. We are telling you about the interior plains. In the interior plains, we are going to talk about the location, landform, climate, vegetation, and natural resources. Let's get started.
First, let's talk about the location. It is to the west of Canada. Also, it is between the Cordillera and the Canadian Shield. It covers Northwest Territories, Yukon, and Nunavut up north, British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba to the south. It is below the Arctic. Did you know that there is a plain in the USA?
Next, we are talking about the landforms. The interior plains is nearly flat and has some rolling hills. It also has Canada's largest lakes and longest rivers. Several large lakes are in northern interior plains. Many river systems begin at Rocky Mountains, then flow north and east to the Arctic Ocean and Hudson Bay lowlands. Now that you know how it looks like, you may ask yourself, how did it happen? Well, 18,000 years ago, Canada was mostly covered by two huge sheets of ice. They were almost 2 kilometers thick. The glaciers sunk down by its weight. As they melt, it forms huge lakes.
Now we are doing the vegetation. The vegetation there is mostly grassy. It barely rains, which means it is drought. The interior plains has not as big of trees like the Cordillera. Most trees are deciduous. In spring it rains most, which is good for the plants. Up north of the interior plains, they have short summers, which grow small plants as grasses.
Next, we are talking about climate. They have cold winters and warm summers. The interior plains have no rain for a really long time, which is called a drought. Because of that, it is tundra there. In the winter, it is about minus 10 degrees Celsius, but in the summer, it is 27 degrees. Fall is 10, and spring is about 15 degrees Celsius. I almost forgot to tell you, it is the sunniest region in Canada. The natural resources are next. The natural resources of the interior plains are coal, potash, gas, oil, fishing, ranching, grain, farming, forestry, and mining. Crude oil and natural gas are found far underground. The largest area of farmland is in the southern of this region. Okay, so please do not forget about all the interesting facts we have told you about the interior plains.
Trust me, this will really be successful in your life.
Yeah, successful.
Toodles.
Later.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.